is going on, my YouTube friends? Yeah, I know today we're going to do a little bit of a smoking video. Yeah, buddy. When I say smoking, I mean meat smoking, baby. We're going to smoke some meat. Yeah, some pork and some beef ribs. Oh, yeah. Let's turn this around and see what we got going on. So right here, pork belly. We are definitely going to smoke this pork belly whole, just like this, just like you would do a beef brisket. So I already got all the seasoning and everything on there, ready to rock and roll. Oh yeah, baby. And then let's turn this around over here. Yeah. And we got some beef ribs that we're doing the same thing to. Yeah, carnivore diet. So let's walk out back here and check out the smoker. So as always, we're getting the smoker prepared. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I made enough videos where you guys know what I do. And I got the fire getting ready to start to go on. You see the red hots down there? I'm getting this all good and ready. Oh yeah, buddy. So this will probably be a good maybe 4 or 5 hour smoke. Beef ribs will probably be a little longer. And it's raining. And it's raining. I'm glad I got my little thingy-majigger here. So yeah. So yeah. Over there we got the 55 heavy Chevy. Oh yeah, buddy. But this is gonna be a smoking video, not a car video. So we're gonna get this ready and get the heat going and bring up temperature, and then I will bring the meat out and slap it on the smoker. Yeah, buddy. All right, we got some heat in this baby now, buddy. Woohoo! We're gonna bring out let's bring the meat out. All right, man, we got the meat. Anyhow, so we got it out there. We're gonna bring it. This is probably gonna be a good 4, maybe 5 hours smoke. We'll come out and check on them periodically, and I'll bring you with me. All right, it's been about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Let's take a look. Oh, Lordy B, look at that. Huh? Is that beautiful? Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to get out here and do some dispersing. Yeah, buddy. And I just use water. We're on a carnivore diet, so I'm not using anything with sugar or nothing in it. So, yeah, buddy. Looking alrighty. Good. Get this right here and she's out good. Oh, yeah. So good. Oh, yeah. Looking good. Actually, that fat is rendering down real nice. If you look on there. Yep, looks good. All right. I have to say, you know, I'm out there smoking this pork belly and those ribs and that. And I've been thinking about buying a new smoker probably for about a year now. And I'm sorry, man. These other smokers, they're just so bloody expensive and everything like that. I think I'm sticking with my Oklahoma Joe. I mean, it's still easy to use. I like that fiery wood smoke. Man, I've had pellet smokers that, you know, tasted food out of pellet smokers, and it just ain't the same. It just ain't the same. So I'm tired. I'm sorry, guys. I got to stick with my old Oklahoma Joe. Oh, yeah, that good wood smoke and that. I'm telling you, you just can't beat it. I mean, like I said, I've had, you know, smoke out of food out of other smokers and stuff like that. And Oklahoma Joe, it's got to be the best or something similar to it. You know what I'm saying? I mean, you guys want to plug in and walk away, that's fine. But I like smoking my meat. Oh, yeah, baby. I like tending to the fire. I just love the whole process. Cutting my own wood, splitting my own wood, whatever it is, buddy. Oklahoma Joe, I'm staying with you. Well, I got to say that we've had them on since about 3 o'clock. The ribs are already done. We got that. Let's see what the temp is on this now. So it's 155, 156. Come back here in a smaller part. 172, 157, 50, so yeah. So right now they're saying, well, the ends are pretty much well done right in here, but there's a lot of fat in there. So we're at like 160. Yeah, the ribs are amazing. She's got them in the house wrapped in foil right now. But yeah, it's done really well. So we're gonna keep cooking this for a little while longer. Let the temp get back up, and I'll bring you back. So we got it off the smoker. And man, is it looking good? It's got nice bark on it. Oh, look at the juices come out of there when I push on it. Lord have mercy. The wife's gonna put some butter on it. We're gonna let it rest for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna dig into it. Well, I have to say it looks really good. Those ribs, oh yeah, baby. It's got a nice smoke ring all the way around it. Good. There's the piece right there. It's got a nice smoke ring. I have to say, it looks yummy. We'll let you know how it tastes at the end. Look at that, man. Nice and juicy. Look at that smoke ring. Holy cow. Yeah, man, that's good. And there's the pork. Look at the smoke ring on that. What do you think, Rusty? What do you think? He's like, I need a bite. Well, I got to say the beef ribs turned out. Yeah, buddy. But anyhow, let's get to the pork belly. So I cooked it like a brisket. I smoked it like a brisket. I don't think that I'll ever do that again because it was juicy and it was tender, but we like for our pork belly to be crispy. Like when I smoked it, I cut it up in squares and I smoked it, it was good and crispy and it was just, yeah, it was good. This right here wasn't crispy. It had a good bark on top, a good bark on the bottom. I mean, it looked good and it had a great taste to it, but it just wasn't crispy. I think my wife is gonna try to put some in the air fryer and we're gonna try it that way. If it turns out good, then I'll smoke it again and then we'll put it in the air fryer and cube it up and then put it in the air fryer. We can freeze it so we can use it for dinner for, another day or whatever. But we're gonna try put it in the air fryer and see how that does and see if it crisps it up. Because we have been taking squares of regular beef fat and with some meat on them and putting them in there and man, they're good. Oh yeah. Put a little salt and pepper on them, throw them in the air fryer and they're really good. So we're gonna do this with this brisket pork belly. That's what we're gonna call it. So anyhow, guys, I appreciate each and every one of you guys are awesome. If anybody tells you any different, you tell them come see me and I tell them you're awesome. You have a great rest of your day, night, or whatever time it was you watch this. And I mean, it's a good trial. It's something that we've never done before. And like I said, we will put it in the air fryer and see how crispy it gets. Still have that smoked taste, so it should be really good. But just to do it and eat it, no. All right, guys, have a great rest of your day, night, whatever time you watch this. Again. One more thing. The wife did put them in the air fryer, and holy cow, what a difference. Oh, man. They're good. So anyhow, I figured I'd let you know before I end this video.